The Grex Genesis XGi3 airbrush combo kit. Everything you need in one box to get started for airbrushing. Now let's open it up and see what's all inside. Some of the first things you'll notice is an owner's manual, a little instruction guide, as well as a product registration information forms. Also a little brochure on how-to things, getting familiar with the airbrush. Different accessories that Grex offers, like cup sizes, needle and nozzle combos, fan caps. Grex makes it very versatile when it comes to adapting your new airbrush. Another thing you'll notice right on top would be the 6-foot braided air hose. It's a 1/8 and 1/8 fittings. So this is the Grex AC1810-A. It's a 115 volt unit. Has an on and off switch. Has comfort feet on the bottom, as well as the air inlet filter, a pressure regulator with moisture trap, as well as an air filter inside there. It does have 1/8 fittings on the end. It has a retractable handle. This weighs just over 10 pounds. And it also has an airbrush holder on the side. This is a 1/8 horsepower motor that puts out about 20 LPMs per minute. Now for the XGi3 airbrush. Everything that comes in your kit would be your nozzle wrench, the GMac quick disconnect valve. There's 3 different cup sizes to choose from, usually installed with the 2. You have the 7 or the 15 mil with lids. Now the XGi is a 0.3 millimeter. They all do have good Teflon seals in it. It comes with a soft grip on top of this dual action feed trigger, along with a nice soft gripper along the body. Quick disconnect couplers already installed, as well as a round protective air cap for your needle. Now these are magnetic on this needle, so you can opt to put it on the back of your needle stop control and install the crown cap, which is inside your kit here, whichever you prefer to use. First thing I'll do is I'll put one end on the regulator on the compressor side. Then I'll grab my GMac valve and install it on the end of your air hose. And this allows me to pop my airbrush on and off easily while still holding the air in the line. And it also allows you to adjust the pressure in that air hose. Everything you needed, a nice one little handy to go ready kit. So have fun airbrushing, and thanks for watching.